Hey, what's up you guys? My name's Blake, I'm here with U-Haul, and I wanted to bring you the Thule APEX 4 hitch mounted hanging bike rack. It's an excellent bike rack that's available in most of our stores, and I just wanted to show you some of the features. One of the best things about the APEX 4 is the installation is a breeze. This particular bike rack comes with an 1.25 inch shank as well as with a 2-inch adapter, so it'll fit whatever hitch receiver size you do have. The rack also has a 150-pound carrying capacity. We're gonna go ahead and get it installed. As you can see, this is a 2-inch receiver, so we've got the adapter plate on it. All you need to do is open this auto pin, lift it with its carry handle here. It's nice and light. Just guide the stinger into your receiver. Once it clears this little piece, go ahead and let the auto pin rest back and it'll snag itself into place. Coming over to this side, you've got an anti-wobble knob. You'll turn clockwise. What I like to do is I just take a little pressure off of the assembly there by grabbing here and lifting up, and that'll help you take some slack out as you turn this knob. You'll notice the rack starts with a good bit of waddle. I'll lift here, turn the knob clockwise, and we can see that the wobble's starting to go away. Thule provides a key. Just insert it, turn it counterclockwise, and now this will spin freely. It can't tighten or loosen. Nobody's gonna take your rack. All right, we've got the APEX 4 installed in its stowed position. This is perfect when you're obviously not carrying your bike, but if you're driving around town, you don't want to take the rack off. You've got it here. You're parked in a tight space like your garage or some sort of parking lot, downtown. Really easy to get in and out of a tailgate or a hitch access. All you need to do is reach back here, grab this lever, put a little pressure and pull up until it clicks. Now it rocks down. We've got full access to our tailgate. It does lock into place, can you see that? So you'll want to pull up again until it clicks, and it'll just rock back into place. It'll click again, you know it's secure. To install your bikes, it's very simple. There's another latch up here. Just pull that until it clicks, raise up. All right, installing a bike is easy. All you need to do is place the frame triangle, this piece right here, around the hanging arms. And I always slide the first or the heaviest bike, if you're only carrying one, all the way back. So if you've got one bike, take it all the way back. If you've got the heaviest bike out of 4, put it towards the back too. Get this on, we're just gonna go ahead and get the rack ready, loosen the straps. I'm just gonna do the ones appropriate to what I need. And you can see that these frame mounts move out of your way, so I'm gonna tuck them in wherever I don't have to fight to get the bike on. Grab the bike and just slide the frame up and over. You can see that's very easy, and reach on back. Thule goes a long way to make sure that your bikes are protected even on a hanging style rack. And what they've done here is they've put a little cushion, a little shock absorber into their frame mounts, so that way your bikes aren't gonna get killed by the vibration of the road. Also, this cradle has these rubber lines here to protect your frame and do the same cushioning. So we've installed our first bike. It is facing drive side back. And the reason we do that is because this back cradle touches the seat tube of your frame and holds the whole bike secure. Let's get that nice and snug. And now we'll take this top frame mount, pull them down. When installing these, you want to make sure that you don't over tighten these. It'll cause premature wear. Your bike's not going anywhere. I think this one is going to be just fine for this. Just like that. Now, if you have additional bikes, you'll alternate direction as they go on. So the next bike will actually be facing handlebars on this side, seat tube on this side, and you can see that you can see that the rack is set up to accommodate. Thule also provides an integrated lock that tucks right here into the body of the frame. Integrated lock, come out and over your bikes. and secure at the end, so all of your bikes are secure. You can see here that the bike can wobble back and forth. So Thule provides a support strap that you hook to the back of the rack and through the frame to go ahead and cinch them down. Now, I prefer to not have the sliding cam buckle touching the frame, so I go ahead and brace it against the rack instead. And you get nice and tight. You don't need to take all the play out of it, but get nice and tight, and then just tie up the rest. Okay, you can see we've got the frame strap installed. It's not going anywhere. The Apex 4 is an excellent bike rack. Secures your bike both from road vibration, protects it from road vibration, and as well as theft. It's lightweight, easy to install, easy to carry, and we really like it. It's available in store and online at uhaul.com. We hope you enjoy it. We'll see you out there.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.